The first platform that we have here is called AdMeFast.com, and this is a social media engagement exchange marketplace. It's 100% free, and what you have to do first is just click here where it says try for free now, and then you can basically register by filling out your information. I just made about 500 online from simply watching YouTube videos, and in this video, I will show you 4 different methods on how you can also make money online just by watching YouTube videos. You will basically be collecting points by engaging on other social media accounts on this website. So for example, you will get points if you follow someone on Facebook, like their post on Facebook, like YouTube videos, watch YouTube videos, and other things like that. So if you do any of these things that you see here, you will then receive points. So after you do that and verify your email, this is how your dashboard will look. But don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to convert the points you earn from this website into real money. To begin earning points by watching YouTube videos, simply scroll down until you find YouTube views and click on it. By the way, this website is operational worldwide, so all you need is having a computer or smartphone. The next step for you is to go and click on the ADD site/link, which will take you to this page where you can add your own social media accounts to get likes, followers, and other things. For example, you can get Instagram followers here. So let's say you started collecting these points by watching YouTube videos, and you converted 700 of those points into Instagram followers. The last step here is you want to go to this website here that is called playerup.com to sell those Instagram accounts with followers. Then you can click here where it says Instagram accounts, and then you can click here where it says Instagram accounts for sale to sell your account. I know this method can be challenging for some of you guys, because you'll have to convert those fake Instagram followers into real ones. Now let's talk about method number 2, or website number 2, which is microworkers.com. Here you can find different micro jobs that you can complete and make money with, like completing surveys and watching YouTube videos and stuff like that. It's also completely free, and you don't need to have any experience or anything like that to start. On this page, you will find people who are paying others to watch their YouTube videos, and you can see how much you will be paid for each job. I know this is not a lot of money, but don't worry, there are still 2 ways that I will show you where you can make more money. By the way, the last website that I will show you is my favorite because it just paid me $500 to my PayPal account. Now that we have finished with this website, where you simply search for videos to watch and then close them to earn money, let's move on to method number 3. By the way, if you guys are still watching the video, thanks for your continued. The third method is to go to Shrinkmead.io, a link shortening platform that pays you whenever someone clicks on your link. You can simply hit register to create your own account from here, and here you can see the payment proof of people who are making money with this website. As you can see here, they also pay you in different payment methods, so after you create your account here, you can click here to start earning money. For instance, videos with a lot of views, such as funny or animal videos or viral videos, can be used with this technique. The next step is to copy the video's link, then return to Shrinkm, paste it here in the box, click on Shorten, and then copy this new, shorter link from here. Now that this link points to the YouTube video, you will also be compensated if someone clicks on it. So the next thing you need to do is download the video's thumbnail, which is represented by this image. To do that, simply type in Google download YouTube thumbnail, click the first website that pops up, paste the video link into the box, and click Get the thumbnail image. The image will then appear as you can see, and you can download it by clicking the link that says Download HD Thumbnail Image here. And now visit Imager.com, which is a website. Millions of people visit this website every day. To post something, you should simply click here where it says New Post, then select Choose Photo, upload the image that you downloaded, and then type the title of your video here. In my case, this is the title of the video I'm using. You can also type Watch from here and then paste the shrink link here so you can embed the video. Now let's move on to the last website, which is my favorite because that's where I was able to generate 500, but before I do that, make sure you first subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. This is website number 4 on our list, and as you can see here you will get paid $1.5 per minute for every time someone clicks on it. They will send you a YouTube video, podcast video, or something similar, and your job is to listen to that video and transcribe it, which entails writing down everything they say in that video. Here is a website called rev.com that is also totally free and 100% legitimate, as you can see here. There are also various types of jobs on this website, but today we will just focus on watching videos and transcribing them, so what you have to do is scroll down to the bottom of the page and click here where it says, Become a Freelancer. As you can see from this website, you can earn money from anywhere and an extremely flexible schedule. It doesn't get any better than this, just scroll down a little bit and click here where it says work as much or as little as you like. You can choose from hundreds of jobs that are available on this website. You will never run out of work here. You also get paid weekly to your PayPal account. Study more. And now you can fill out your personal information here. To register on this website, type your first name here, your last name here, your email address, choose your country, and then hit next. And if you guys run into any issues with the websites that I showed you today, just let me know in the comments. Now you can watch this video next to learn even more about a brand new way to make money online simply by watching YouTube videos. Thanks for watching.